Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to ask questions in DeepSeek step by step. If you're new to DeepSeek and don't know how to chat with the AI, this tutorial will help you get started. So let's begin. I've already logged into my DeepSeek account to save time. If you haven't logged in yet, simply log in with your account and follow along with me. After logging in, you'll see the DeepSeek home page. To ask a question, click on New Chat if you want to start a fresh conversation. Now, click inside the message box and type your question. For this tutorial, I'll ask, what is DeepSeek and how does it work? After typing the question, click the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard. As you can see, DeepSeek quickly generates a detailed answer. I'm just showing one example in this tutorial. You don't have to ask the same question. You can ask any question based on your own needs. For example, you can ask DeepSeek to write a YouTube script, create a professional email, translate text into another language, summarize a long article, explain a difficult topic, solve coding problems, or answer general questions. The more clear and specific your question is, the better and more accurate the response will be. Whenever you want to ask about a different topic, simply click New Chat to start a new conversation. You can also open your previous conversations from the chat history section at any time, and that's how easy it is to ask questions in DeepSeek. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.